2023 SUNHUNK high-end folding arm truck-mounted crane, making operations more flexible. Illuminate your construction site. SUNHUNK folding arm truck-mounted crane K108. Making operations more flexible. Standard 2-section telescopic boom. The maximum working range can reach 8.15 meters. The second variable adopts a 4-link amplitude-changing mechanism. Strong lifting capacity, wide application range, flexible operation. The rotation adopts a gear and rack rotating device. Smooth and powerful rotation, maximum rotation angle of 360 degrees. The boom main material uses Q960E high-strength steel. The turntable and base main material use Q690D high-strength plate. Imported hydraulic components, stable performance, reliable. Standard high-pressure filter. Effectively control the cleanliness of hydraulic oil. Increase continuous working capacity. High-end truck-mounted cranes, more people choose SUNHUNK.